Every student carries more than just school supplies, deadlines, responsibilities, and a busy lifestyle.
Today we're testing if one bag can survive the Ultimate Student Challenge.
Ano ba yan? Di na kasya. Halo-halo na lahat ng gamit. Nakakainis naman. Sobrang gulo ng bag ko. Hindi ko na mahanap yung earphones.
Students need a bag that can keep up with their everyday challenges. Designed to carry your everyday essentials without the hassle.
At this point, parang buong bahay na laman nito.
Emergency noise kitchen.
Fingerprint zipper lock. A stylish bag.
Eco-friendly.
Spacious. Made for everyday safety.
Very demure and very cutesy.
Naranasan yung fly Kita ang kita ng hindi pangkaraniwan.